In comparison to other wars, I think, particularly in South Carolina, if you put it on a scale of remembrance, probably World War II is right up there at the top. And World War I may be a forgotten war.
For South Carolina, the war was in some ways also, as it was for the United States, a kind of redemption. It was a welcoming back into the Union.
I think from the outset there was a great deal of hope and anticipation that the war might serve as a platform for advancing civil rights for African Americans in the state.
The war did bring about the vote for women. Did it empower them?
The flu epidemic probably came through the military training bases as people were shuffled in and out.
In a way, the lasting effect on the home front is to turn South Carolina, maybe for the first time in generations, toward the outside.
The story of the Great War is one of heroism, ingenuity, and perseverance. Over there in Europe, on the front, and also over here.